Okay, I'm doing a problem from section 7.4, number 43. They ask of us to find all complex number solutions by completing the square. So this one is a little bit different than the last one I did in the sense that they've not left it a perfect trinomial for us. So what you do with that is simply bring the 5 over to do the 0 property. So it becomes from a negative 5 to a positive 5, and then I've put A, B, and C down here. In a moment you'll see why. Because we're going to do the quadratic formula, which looks a lot like this. Negative b plus or minus radical b squared, sorry it's a little messy on the handwriting, minus 4ac divided or over 2a. And simply I've plugged in the values from above. As you can see, let me move my hand down here. Let's start with the b's. Since it's a negative 3, it becomes a positive 3 down here because it has negative times a negative becomes a positive. Then we plug that same 3 in again, but with the negative. And then the 4, the a is the a up here, 4, and 5 is this c here. And then 2 times a, or 2 times 4. So once we've plugged in the values, just simplifying, we slowly come down, and then, we get a negative under the radical, which is kind of a bit of a no-no. So what we do to kind of disguise it is we take out the negative and put an I out here for imaginary number. And that is how you solve those, and how they should look when they are done if you have a negative under the radical.